Hey, this is Edge Library. Welcome to our space. Today on the Autodesk Revit course for construction drawings, you're going to learn how to use important navigation tools such as zoom, pan, view, and snap. First, we're going to look at the zoom function. If you want to zoom in, all you have to do is just move your cursor to the area and then just scroll the wheel, right, up and down. The wheel on your mouse, the scroll wheel on the mouse, just up and down and up and down. I can move my cursor to the other side and the focus is on that section, see? Okay, up and down. And if I want to make sure that the drawing fits the old drawing area, I can double click the wheel to recenter the drawing. Okay, like that. Zoom in, zoom out, double click to recenter the drawing. That's one way you can do it. Another way you can do it is just right click and then you can bring out the zoom to fit function and just click on it and it does that. One more thing, another way is if you go to the right hand side of this bar, just click on it and you can see zoom to fit and it recenters the whole drawing. Next, we'll look at the pan. What you have to do is you hold your wheel down, okay, and then drag and move it left, right, left and right, left and right. Hold it down and drag it left and right. Okay, it's an easy way to pan it. Next, if you want to view multiple files at once, what you have to do is you use your view, go to the ribbon at the top, click on view, and then you use the tile view function to have a look. So you click on it, all of those 4 files that you previously opened, they all appear at the same time, and any changes you make on a drawing, right, you can see it becomes evident on all of the drawings parts that you have opened. And if you want to fit them, you can just click on the search button right there and then just say zoom all to fit, and everything fits in the middle. If you want to return to previous individual views, what you have to do is to just go back to the view buttons. Beside the tab view, you will see the tab view. So just click on tab view and it returns everything to the individual views. Next, if you want to orbit or pivot the 3D view, what you want to do is you want to focus on the area or the element that you want to be at the center. Right, for instance, I'm going to click and I want to pivot around this window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the shift key on my desktop on my keyboard, and then I'm going to hold this wheel down and then pivot. All right, see, then go around. It's just going to stay there, it's not going to move. Easier that way to tell the center, to use an element to center the function that I want to perform. Again, you hold the shift key on the keyboard, and at the same time you also hold down the scroll wheel on your mouse together, hold them down, and then you just drag, right, release, drag, release, while you're holding the shift key. An easy way or alternative way of doing it is to use this function on the right hand side, and what you do is just rotate it, just rotate the circle, just roll it, and we can do, we're performing the same pivot function. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time. Bye.